Pilot's 11 total bucks pro today for 2020 Nissan X-Trail, stock number 7450. It's ran from the 2nd 2014 to 7th 2022. There's a QR 25DE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a QR 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch facsimile maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch facsimile maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch facsimile maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents.